In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Flipkart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the coupon box, how to apply a code correctly, and what to check if a discount doesn't show up. First, open the Flipkart app or head to the Flipkart website. Make sure you're logged into your account before you start. Being signed in ensures the correct prices, delivery options, and eligible offers appear for you. Next, add the product you want to your cart. Browse to the item, choose any required options like size or color, and tap Add to Cart. If you're comparing a few options, you can add them and decide at checkout, but remember that coupons may only apply to specific categories or items. Now, go to checkout, tap the cart icon to review what you've added. Check the quantity and any delivery details shown there, then click Place Order to move to the main checkout page. On the checkout page, look for the coupon section. It usually appears under the order summary or in the payment area and may be labeled Apply Coupon or Have a Coupon Code. Tap that option to open the coupon field. Enter your code exactly as it appears, without extra spaces, and apply it. If the code is valid and your order meets the conditions, you'll see the discount reflected right away in your total. Sometimes Flipkart automatically applies an eligible offer to each item or to your whole order. In those cases, you might notice an instant discount line, and the coupon box may be less prominent or not visible for that product. Once your discount looks correct, proceed with payment and confirm the order. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Keep in mind that only one coupon can be applied per order. Also, many offers require a minimum order value or apply only to certain categories, and bank-specific promotions often have their own terms. If a code isn't working, it could be expired, tied to the wrong product category, or blocked because the minimum order amount hasn't been met. Try checking the coupon's terms, switching to an eligible item, or adding another item to reach the required value. If you don't see any coupon option, it may be because the item isn't eligible or a discount is already auto-applied to that product. That's it. Open Flipkart, add your item, head to checkout, apply your coupon if available, and finish payment. Follow these checks and your savings should show up without any hassle.